This is 2013 ZOOMLION 52-meter pump on Mercedes-Benz. We CPB brothers already renew this pump, include the truck maintenance and also hoop accessories repair and change, and also all necessary repair for broken parts, and also hydraulic system test and all leakage point repair. Even all of the new tires, all of the tires is changing to new tires. So this renovated standard is very high, and ensure the customer buy the pump back to his yard where we start to work in job site directly. We can show around. Mercedes-Benz is originally from Germany. This is in this site. And also we can see the hoop in the back. This is see from the back. And now we can get close and see the hoop. This is inside the S tube and the share mixer change. And also we can see the elevate, and also this swing hydraulic cylinder. Everything is do good repair, ensure good work. If you have any used heavy equipment demand, just come to CPB Brothers. Thank you.